Hey guys, it's Mrs. Lemaine. Welcome back for another video. All right, we are starting again with Skill 10, closed syllable words. All right, what are our vowels? A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. Okay, and remember with closed syllable words, our vowels make the short vowel sound. Okay, remember, apple, I'm holding an apple. Edge, this is the edge of the board. Itch, I have an itch on my hand. Octopus, I have an octopus leg. And then up. Okay, our vowels make the short vowel sound with closed syllable words. All right, let's get started. I have a new sentence for you guys today with a new Skill 10 word in it. Okay, it says, the lights in blank cannot be seen in the daylight. This city's beauty comes alive at night. Okay, so we have a big word there. Okay, we need to decode this word so we know how to pronounce it. So the first thing you need to do is get out a whiteboard marker and eraser. Go, pause the video if you need to. All right, you should have a whiteboard marker and eraser. Please write this fake word on your board. SHENRAMTUB. Okay, make sure your word is spelled correctly. Okay, we need to decode this word. What do we do? The first thing we always do is find the vowels. Okay, underline them. Go for it. I want you to see if you can do it without looking at mine first. Okay, this is what you should have gotten. There are 3 vowels. They're spaced pretty good apart, a pretty good ways apart, so that means that there's probably 3 syllables. Okay, so it's going to sound like, that's what our word's going to sound like. Okay, see if you can figure out where to divide it. Go for it. Okay, it should look something like this. Okay, because we had 2 vowels, we had 2 letters in the middle, it goes almost always, it goes right between those 2 letters. 2 vowels, 2 letters, almost always right between those 2 letters. Okay, let's look at our first syllable. So we have 3 syllables, 1, 2, and 3. Remember, there always has to be a vowel sound in every syllable. Okay, our first syllable, it is closed. Shen. Closed. Ram. Closed. Tub. Whole word. Ram tub. Ram tub. Okay, Ram tub. It's kind of a mouthful. All right, now that we know how to decode and pronounce our word, let's go back to our sentence. The lights in Ram tub cannot be seen in the daylight. This city's beauty comes alive at night. So now on your board, I would like you to silently and secretively write a synonym for Ram tub. What is Ram tub? Okay, write a word that means Ram tub on your board. Don't let anybody next to you see it. Okay, and go ahead and show. What do you have? It is the name of a city. Okay, now is this real? No, this is not real. I totally made it up. If it is real, I'm going to be shocked. But the lights in Ram tub cannot be seen in the daylight. This city's beauty comes alive at night. So that was a huge clue in the second sentence. This city's beauty. So this is a city. Okay. Awesome. Let's keep moving on. All right, fluency practice. You know the drill. Remember, focus on that punctuation. Okay. I'm going to give you a minute. Go ahead and practice this fluency with somebody sitting next to you. They're going to practice it with you. Pause the video. Go. Okay, lastly is our vocab. It is trans. Okay. Trans means a across and beyond, across and beyond. I want you to do that with me, across and beyond. Okay, read these 6 words that have trans in them to somebody sitting next to you. They're going to read the 6 words to you. Pause the video. And lastly, don't forget to find that don't forget to find that vocab word in your text throughout the day at school. Don't forget to let me know. You can email me. You can find me in the hallway. You can leave a piece of paper outside of my door. Okay, have a super fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.